What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. As I said, we will be doing the Corpse Reviver No.1 and Corpse Reviver No.2, the most famous one out of the Savoy cocktail book, as everyone knows all about the Corpse Reviver No.2. Now we'll show you how to make both of these Corpse Revivers and then compare the two. So the first one is going to be the Corpse Reviver No.1. Right, get your cocktail shaker and pour in some ice. The first ingredient to make the Corpse Reviver No.1 is 50ml of Italian Vermouth. You can see, guys, we're using a martini, which is very Italian. There we go, half an ounce. Next up is 15ml or half an ounce of Calvados apple brandy. Because they don't have to be Calvados, it can be any apple brandy. The last ingredient is 30ml or 1 ounce of brandy. Now shake it for a good 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. Now give it a bang, separate. Get a cocktail glass and strain into it. And that's how you make the Corpse Reviver No.1. We'll put that to one side for now. Right, since I have the luxury of 2 cocktail shakers, I'll be using 2. Right, we'll put this to one side of these ingredients. And now, guys, we've got to make the most famous one out of the Savoy cocktail book, the Corpse Reviver No.2. So for this, guys, got your lemon juice, your gin, your Americano, which is a substitute for the Lina Killet. That's a side note, as you cannot get that anymore. This is a good substitute for it. Any bartender will recommend it. It's a very good one. Absinthe and your Cointreau. Right, to make the Corpse Reviver No.2 first, we're going to put ice into our shaker. Right, for the Savoy cocktail book, it says 1/4 of a wine glass. That translates to about 15ml or half an ounce. That's what I've worked out to. So for this, 15ml or half an ounce of lemon juice. First ingredient to go in. Next, 15ml or half an ounce of dry gin. Can use a dry London gin if you wish. Such companies as Beefeater is a highly recommended one, or Gordon's, and many others. Right, next, guys, is 50ml or half an ounce of Americano. This is a substitute for the Lina Killet. Next, 15ml or half an ounce of Cointreau. And last but not least, a dash of Absinthe, which is about 5ml. There we go. Right, guys, time to shake for a good 10 seconds. Getting nice and chilled. Because I can already smell what it smells like. Because it's got a strong smell of licorice coming from the absinthe. Right, get your cocktail glass and straight into it. Beautiful. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. The Corpse Reviver No.1 and the Corpse Reviver No.2. How do they taste? We'll try the Corpse Reviver No.1 first. So the strong cocktail, I can see where it gets its name, the Corpse Reviver No.1. Because it's Harry Craddock does recommend drinking these two both straight up to revive the corpse, which is where it gets its name from. But still a nice brandy cocktail, certainly strong flavours in it, and it's, yeah. But this is the one I've been looking forward to, the most famous one out of the cocktail, but this is where it originates from, Harry Craddock himself, this one. So the Corpse Reviver No.2, how does it taste? Certainly lives up to its bill and it's absolutely beautiful. It certainly has that licorice taste in it, mixed in with the gin and the... it's beautiful.
Can I have a taste?
Certainly can do, it's juicy. As you can see guys, we've got a little guest here. He's back.
Again.
Yep. What does he think of these famous ones? Corpse Reviver No.1. So it's got apple brand in it, brandy and the vermouth.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Not too bad, but there. You see what I mean when you taste it.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice smell to it.
Yeah. Because if you like get anisine and licorice, you'll like it.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, but not too bad.
I can see why it's famous. Why?
I'll come back to MixedSid again.
But that guys is a Corpse Reviver No.1 and Corpse Reviver No.2. My favourite person is Corpse Reviver No.2. It's Harry Craddock. And Just GC as well, off camera he said it's No.2 as well. So it's got lovely flavours there, mixed in with the absinthe. It's really nice. Because say maybe 68% mixed in, but it's just the right amount. It's certainly got that lovely licorice taste to it, mixed in with the gin and the Americano. I think that gives it its nice taste as well. It's a nice substitute for Lina Killet. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video guys, as that is all for now. I will be doing the colour changing martini, as I will be doing winter cocktails and Christmas cocktails in the run up to Christmas and the New Year. And I will see you for the colour changing martini for the next video, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more. And also, I appreciate if you let me know in the comments below, any cocktails you want to see, just let me know and I'm happy to make them. Well, that is all for now guys. Have a nice day.